Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to bypass restrictions and install Windows 11 25H2 on any PC. First, open your web browser and go to the official Windows 11 download page from Microsoft. Make sure you are on the real site. Scroll down and find the option to download the Windows 11 ISO. Choose Windows 11 25H2, select your language, and confirm. Click Download and wait for the ISO file to finish. This file is large, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. While the ISO is downloading, plug in a USB flash drive of at least 8 GB. Make sure there are no important files on it because it will be erased during the process. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the official Rufus website. Download the latest version of Rufus and open it. In Rufus, look at the top where it says Device. Click the drop-down menu and select your USB drive. Be careful to choose the correct drive. Then, under Boot Selection, click Select and browse to the Windows 11 25H2 ISO you downloaded. Select it and keep all other settings as default. Now click Start. A window will appear with several options. Here you can bypass TPM, secure boot, RAM requirements, and other restrictions. Check the options you need and click OK. Rufus will now create a bootable USB drive. This process can take a few minutes. Wait until it says ready. Then safely remove the USB. Now, you can restart and boot with this USB to install Windows 11 25H2 without any restrictions. Thanks for watching.